Feeling uneasy about your Monzo account security? Let's put your mind at ease by showing you exactly how to change your password, keeping your money safe and sound. First, unlock your phone and open the Monzo app. Then, tap on your profile picture or initials located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down the settings menu until you find the section labeled Security and Privacy and tap on it. This section controls all the security features of your Monzo account. On the Security and Privacy screen, you should see an option labeled Password. Tap on Password to initiate the password change process. You'll now be prompted to confirm it's you, which often involves entering your current password. After confirming it's you, you can enter your new password. Remember, a strong password is key. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've created a strong password, re-enter it to confirm, then tap the Change Password button. Monzo may also require you to authenticate for added security by entering your PIN. You should receive a notification confirming that your password has been successfully changed, and that's it. You've successfully updated your Monzo password. Keep it safe, and your account will be all the more secure. Forgot your password? No worries. Monzo has account recovery options, usually found on the login screen. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and reset your password if you need further assistance. Monzo's support team is always ready to help. Their contact details are in the app.